friends, I am back with another video, and if you are new to the channel, I am Harshal Jhalawat and I recommended this laptop to my friend for his office use. Let's dive straight into the unboxing, shall we? This is the HP Pavilion 15 CS3006TX 3.6-inch laptop. Opening up the box, we get the laptop itself and the charger. For the specifications, it has the all-new Intel 10th generation i5 processor 1035G1, which has 4 cores which can go 3.6 GHz max turbo frequency. It was the latest model at the time of purchase, but I'd say get the 9th generation if you need more power out of your laptop. This laptop has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, 1 TB of hard drive and 256 GB of high-speed SSD. Has a decent 2 GB graphics card from NVIDIA MX 250. You get Windows 10 Home pre-installed. The color of the laptop you see is mineral silver. This laptop has narrow bezel design with 15.6-inch Full HD display having resolution 1920 by 1080p, which has good viewing angles and colors. The laptop is really sleek and light, which weighs in at 1.8 kilograms, which is good for both students and working professionals and their bags. By the way, it also has a backlit keyboard, and the speakers from Bang & Olufsen are more than enough for any media consumption. And by the way, this laptop is selling like a hotcake just because it has no competition in this form factor if your preferred company choices are Dell and or HP. Coming to the pricing, the MRP of the laptop is Rs 67,999, on which we got an early bird discount of Rs 4,000 and 10% cashback for ICICI credit card, which brought the price for about Rs 57,000. Got 1,000 rupees off on this bag from Chroma just at Rs 399 or something. In my eyes, this laptop is what you should get if you are a working professional and need a 2020 looking smooth laptop. Best suited for a person with light to moderate use. This was all for the video. Purchasing link for the same is in the description box down below. To watch a video on the best budget gaming laptop of 2020 and which is the best in my opinion for you gamers out there, subscribe to the channel. By the way, this video was shot on the Realme X2. How did you feel about the quality of the video? Tell me in the comment section down below and like the video if you liked it. Until next time, kudos.